Anthony Bricks here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be building set number 71426, the Piranha plant from Super Mario's. I had to hold the box sideways because if I hold it straight up, the camera won't capture it all. I'll show you guys. If I move the box up, it's a tall box. It has 540 pieces, so it won't be too bad. What I'm going to do, build this set, do a time lapse for you guys, and show you guys my opinion on it. Let's get into it.
Bop it up.
I can bop if you want to.
Let's go.
You can bop if you want to.
You can leave your friends behind. But if your friends don't bop, and if they don't bop, then there are no friends of mine. Bye.
You can bop if you want to.
You can leave your friends behind. But if your friends don't bop, and if they don't bop, then there are no friends of mine.
So we just go bop, 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 bop.
Keep going.
You can bop, 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 bop. You can bop, 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 bop. Wait, my guy. You can bop if you want to.
You can leave your friends behind. But if your friends don't bop, and if they don't bop, then there are no friends of mine. Bye.
You can bop if you want to.
You can leave your friends behind. But if your friends don't bop, and if they don't bop, then there are no friends.
Okay, Piranha plant is finally finished. You can move it. These move. The mouth opens. Close. I do like the bricks used. Looks so cool. Now, you can push it right, left, you can lean it. The head tilts. Everything moves. Then, you push this button in the back. Or the side. Somewhere there's a button. And the coins fall out. Comes with 2 coins. Which is so nice. I think this is supposed to technically, being realistic, it's supposed to be like that. That's the way it's supposed to look anyways, but that's the final build. I wish it would be that tall up. I wish it can move up and down, like realistically, but other than that, it's very nice. These are pieces for the stems. Holy, I didn't expect it to fall. There we go. I don't know what just happened. This is my thoughts on it. So, I thought there was a piece in the back that closes and opens on its own, but there's not. Look at the jaw with the way it bites. It's so cool. Oh my god. I really like the set, honestly. It's one of the cool ones. I don't know what's going on with the head because the head doesn't stay up. I wish you could move the head so it stays or lowers. But that's not too bad. Without further ado, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.